Hi, today we're going to be making blue slime.
And after, we're going to make pink slime.
My favourite colour is pink.
My favourite colour is blue.
First we have to pour half of PVA glue into this pot. Okay.
Going quite fast.
I think this is about halfway there.
Looks good.
I don't know when it's mine.
A bit more, I think, Aria.
Yeah, definitely.
It's so slow. Bubbles in the pot. I think that's half.
I'll tip it up and check. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's half.
Okay, what's next?
Next is the sprinkles.
We pour it into the blue slime in the mix.
I put my packet in there.
Oh no. Let's have a look.
Now we
And then we
Now
just
we
stir
have to
it.
stir it in with the PVA glue. It feels weird.
Yeah, I touched it. Wait a minute. I touched it because I took the packet. And I dropped the packet in there.
It smells.
It smells. What does it smell of?
Blueberry.
Oh, this one is blueberry, and then the pink one is candy flavour.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat that.
And what's the next? Have you stirred it in well, Aria? Okay, what's the next step?
Pour a quarter of
The activator slime into.
A quarter of slime activator, okay. So I think you pour a little bit and then stir, and a little bit more and then stir.
I'm just gonna leave my spoon
Okay, stop. Now stir.
there. Then, oh my god!
Oh, it's already turning into slime. Keep stirring, Aria. Stir it, Fee.
Should I put a bit more in?
Yep, you've got to keep stirring though, Aria.
I am keep stirring.
Can I see how much you've used? Oh yeah, I definitely need more.
Do I need more?
Oh, half of yours is on the table. Oh no.
Yeah.
Slimy. Let's give it a stir.
Is this a quarter? I don't think this is a quarter.
It
pretty
doesn't feel
slimy.
like liquid.
I
anymore.
think like stir that in. Yes, Luna.
There's like slime.
Luna, do you want to make some slime? Do you? Come on then. Oh, let's check your slime out. Luna, it's the postman.
Is this a quarter? Is this a quarter?
Hold the pot, Aria. I don't know, hold the pot, let's see. Oh, that's nowhere near a quarter. Here, try that now, and it still needs more, I think.
Does mine need more?
It's getting thicker.
Hold the pot.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It was... I spilled some. I'm gonna wipe my hand.
Should I get you a tea towel?
Yeah. Oh, what's on the table?
Look at mine.
Ew!
Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Oh.
There you go.
It's eventually turning into slime. It doesn't look blue, just this one.
Right, let's have a look at yours.
Thank
Okay, hold the pot.
I spilled most of it on the table.
Whoa.
Spit it on me!
Do more mixing.
Okay. Are you done?
I don't think. Oh, you've used roughly a quarter.
Mommy,
Go on then.
am I done?
Uh-oh, this is too much liquid.
It's not. What? Hold the pot. Hold the pot. Hold the pot tight. Right, now pick the slime up and squash it in your hands. I check yours.
Yeah.
Hold the pot.
Mommy, did you make it? It is done.
Yeah, she's definitely used more slime activator. Let's add a bit more.
It's Mommy, look. It's all water.
Um,
It's all slime activator on my hand.
oh no.
I think we used too much.
I don't think so. I said 1/4. And that you've used half of PVA and, well, maybe not even enough slime activator.
I did.
Does it feel like good slime?
What about me? Am I done?
Pick it up.
Look at it.
Oh, it's very glittery.
I think it's a bit juicy. It feels juicy.
Just squash it all in your hands.
Look, it's
Wash it over the pot though, because obviously you'll get all water.
That's fine. It's only the table.
Yeah, I know you got a tea towel because I spilled some on the table.
I think that looks like good slime consistency.
So start making.
Now it's time to make the pink.
Now it's time for pink. You got blue on both your stirrers. Uh-oh. Do you want to go and wash a stirrer? Or you could use the other end. Maybe you should wash your hands.
I think I should wash my hands.
Okay, come on, let's go and wash our hands then.
Why is there just one plate in there? Oh yeah, because Fiona dropped the fan. I didn't want to.
Do you want some soap, Aria?
Yeah, sure.
You need to dry most of it. So they just washed it.
There you go then.
Okay.
I didn't use some.
It's only to get the blue glitter off, isn't it?
I don't have any blue glitter.
So candy slime number 2.
Is it actually going to smell like candy?
What does candy smell like? Sugar?
Probably.
Do you want to put the lid on your blue or just leave it?
Put the lid now.
Just leave it for now. We'll move on to your pink. So
I put the lid on.
is it half?
Yeah, they're exactly the same.
Go on then. So what are you doing?
So we put in half of PVA glue into the pot.
So that's pink coloured PVA glue.
Okay. This is half.
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah, I'd say so, Aria. Stop.
smells?
It smells like more like candy floss.
Let's have a sniff.
It smells like candy floss.
Smell the blueberry one.
The blueberry does smell like blueberry. I'm not sure what the pink smells like.
I think it's because we haven't finished it yet.
No, Mr. Step.
Oh, yeah.
Pink glitter.
Oh, okay.
And then your stirrer.
Pink. Look at that big blob of pink.
Look at this big.
I think I need a stick. Pink.
Where's my stick? Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah. It more looks like liquid, but I need the activator.
Why is there all black bits in here?
Don't know. It's just a pot.
So just use your open pot of slime activator.
There's black bits in here.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't worry, it's a part of it.
Yeah, just use that one. And we can keep that one.
Okay. And go with the glitter.
Okay, so use your open pot of slime activator and just add a drop at a time and then stir with your stirrer. I think you should maybe point it downwards, you know.
I squirted it out.
It's starting to look like slimy.
Slimy.
Look! I touched it.
Definitely need more activator.
Why?
It's too runny.
Do I?
Yeah.
Do I?
Yeah. Activate the slime.
Is this it?
Whoa!
Do it?
You're stuck with it now.
It'll make more slime. Is this it? Yeah, mine's way too runny.
Well, that's how much Fion's got left. Yeah, not. Maybe you could have a bit too more. Yours is still runny.
Yeah. It's probably because I put too much slime activator. See, it's see-through.
No.
Look.
Yeah, give me the stick. Hold the pottons. Hold the pottons.
Still runny, Mum.
Gotta do some
It's still...
crazy mixing.
Mum, mine is still runny. See?
So runny.
It's
I
like
think the
all
blue
stuck
will
on
be
the stick.
better than the pink.
Harry!
Now pick it up and squish it in your hands.
What about me?
Yours looks good.
Should I pick it up and squish it in
I
my
think so. I don't know whether yours needs a tad more, Aria.
Yeah, get it.
A bit more? It looks a bit squishy.
Okay.
That's what that should do. Mummy, give it a mix.
Okay, sure.
Hold the pot tight.
Oh wait, you're mixing it and the water's going in there. Remember, activator.
Just splashed in my hair.
That's crazy.
Right, try now.
Get it off this slimy stick.
What does this smell of?
I don't know. I don't think it smells like. Smells.
No, it doesn't smell good and it does not smell like candy.
Yeah.
The blue one smells nice.
Yeah. Also,
I'm going to squish it in your hands.
I want the blue. I like the blue best because it's my favorite.
Blue best. Which is your best?
Blue.
Blue.
I like the blue because it's my favorite colour.
If you mix blue and pink together, what happens?
It's purple.
I think so too.
Yeah, it does.
Should we try it?
I don't know. I don't know if it'll mix together. It's up to you.
Yeah.
You want to make all purple?
Yeah. Should we get our other pot?
No. I was going to make it.
I don't think it'll mix together because it's more like putty, isn't it? Because it's like...
Should I mix it? I'm going to mix it.
I don't think it will work.
I don't think it
What if we...
Yeah, try a
No,
small
because
small
what if we
blob.
do it...
I did.
Yeah, you can mix it at that stage. Mix that and that in a big pot, and then make purple.
Yeah.
But I think now you've made your blue and pink.
Look at this. It looks so cool. This is the mix.
Oh,
I'll try.
Yeah.
I like the blue better than the mixed. Mix is purple.
right, we'll do purple next then. Did you enjoy making the slime, girls?
Yeah.